Hi, Scott Reynolds and Carter DeMay, grounds maintenance. We are going to open the driving range tee tomorrow. We want to talk to you about the process that we have to go through to get the height of this to the desired height that we want. It's a process that we have to do with sanding, lowering the height, and Carter, can you tell us why we do those things?
Yeah, absolutely. So this sod, when we got it, it came in at around 3/4 of an inch in height, maybe even a little higher. What we mowed our zoysia at when we had the zoysia tee, it was around 0.65 of an inch. And so we're trying to train this grass down to that height. And actually this turf type wants to be lower than that. We've already been mowing it at 0.65 with similar to our zoysia. Today we did the first mow at 0.6, so 3/5 of an inch, and we're continuing to lower this height of cut to the desired height. In that process, we're going to be doing some sand top dressings, brushing that in to protect the base of the plant, the crown of the plant, from any damage, mechanical damage. And with that, as we drop the height at a safe height of cut lowering, there is the possibility for some turf damage. We've seen some minimal turf damage already at this point. The expectation is we're going to do everything we can to prevent that. As this surface continues to get smoothed out, leveled out, there's the possibility of always seeing a little bit of that. We see these same things on sod we put out on the golf course, whether it be zoysia sod or otherwise, as we let it establish and then get it trained to all of our other established turf around it. So nothing unusual, but just want to make everybody aware of we are conscious and doing this in a very slow, controlled process to protect this new turf.
Carter, if Ava can move forward, and we'll zero in on a spot like right here. When we cut grass so low, minor imperfections of humps tend to stick up, and then we kind of buzz them off. We're in the training process, right?
Yes, that's correct.
This spot is going to be trained that this grass is going to be cut lower, and it may look a little erratic at times, but we never take it to death.
No.
We're always communicating with each other about, hey, let's sand that again. Let's hold the height. Or I think we're ready. Let's lower it like we did today. Can you add anything about how sand helps this? You did touch on that.
Yeah, so as we put the sand onto the surface, as Scott mentioned, there's little imperfections, humps that we can't even really see. And that sand kind of fills in those humps and fills in those valleys to create a nice smooth level surface for that mechanical reel to go over and mow without digging in anywhere. It also creates protection to deep inside underneath the leaf material to the crown of the plant, as mentioned before, from any true detrimental damage. As long as we're only damaging just the leaf material on top, the plant will recover and become trained to that height and look fantastic.
Yeah, and so we wanted to bring this to the membership because there's going to be moments where you'll come out on the tee and, yeah, as Ava looks around, there's a few scalp marks and everything, but it's not dying. That's the key. It's just being trained to be at a reduced height. So this will continue on. We probably have 2 more lowering of heights before we feel maybe we should stop the season, because it'll get cool. But we hope this helps you. We hope that this helps you understand. You're just going to see a process right now of lowering the height, a little bit of scalping, sanding, and then, but trust us, we will never kill it. That's not our goal. Carter, anything to wrap up?
I think you said that perfectly, Scott. We're excited, just like all of you are, for this tee to open up. I hope you all come out and enjoy hitting off of this new surface. It's going to be a great solution to this range tee.
That's exactly right. Thank you.